Have you ever felt like the world is moving too fast, like every door you knock on stays closed, and every plan slips through your fingers? What if I told you that this moment, right now, is exactly what Allah has prepared for you? You are standing on the edge of something bigger, something that will change the way you see yourself and the life around you. Your struggles, your patience, your tears, they have all been leading to this moment. Life tests you in ways that feel impossible. You wake up hoping for clarity, but the answers never come. You try to keep moving, to keep smiling, yet inside, a storm of doubt and fear rages. And yet, here you are, still breathing, still trying, still holding on. That effort, that resilience, it matters more than you realize. Allah sees every sigh, every tear, every silent prayer whispered in the dark. He has been preparing you quietly, molding your heart and mind, so when the moment arrives, you will be ready. Look at the times when doors closed in your face. Those moments were not failures. They were training grounds. They were shaping your patience, sharpening your understanding, and teaching you the strength that comes from surrendering to Allah's plan. Every waiting period, every setback, every unanswered question was a step toward this exact moment. You are not behind. You are not lost. You are exactly where you are meant to be. You might feel small, insignificant, or unworthy. You might think you are not ready for what lies ahead. But readiness does not come from perfection. Readiness comes from trust, from the faith that Allah has placed in your heart. It comes from knowing that He knows your path, even when you cannot see it. You have been practicing resilience, kindness, humility, and patience every day without even realizing it. All these moments, all these lessons, are now converging. The world may demand speed and perfection, but Allah does not. He asks for your sincerity, your effort, and your faith. You are stronger than your fears, braver than your doubts, and more capable than you have allowed yourself to believe. This is the moment to step forward with courage, to embrace the opportunities Allah has arranged for you. Everything you have faced, everything you have endured, has led to this doorway. Step through it. Trust the timing, trust the process, and trust yourself. Remember, growth is often invisible. The challenges you overcame in silence, the patience you maintained when no one watched, the prayers you whispered when you felt alone, these have prepared you. Allah's timing is perfect, and now, this moment is your proof. You are ready to rise, to shine, and to fulfill the purpose He created in you. Your heart, your soul, and your effort have been trained for this. So take a deep breath. Feel the strength that has been built inside you. Take the next step, even if it is small. Move forward with hope, with faith, and with the certainty that Allah has always been guiding you. This is your moment. You are ready. You have been ready all along. If this message touches your heart, carry it forward. Share it with someone who needs to hear it today. Like, share, and subscribe to continue receiving reminders that uplift, inspire, and guide your journey. You were made for this moment, and now it is time to embrace it fully.